there's many variations of lunge exercises. In this case, the position is already adopted and it's not gonna change. All we're gonna do, imagine that you get, smashed on the top and then you just go down. So all your exactly and up. Do several repetitions. And please notice this foot is wearing weight right now. I'm gonna try to rest for a second. I'm gonna try to do the same, but the rear feet barely hold weight. Let me demonstrate you. That would be, instead of leaning there, you let it loose almost. So you are all the strength is here, and this is relaxed. Okay? Some people find painful to put weight on the lower back. Some people don't, so there's variation. Do it again. You try what I told you. Imagine that this is gonna be loose. So all the weight is there. Yes. No, exactly. So clearly it's more heavy on the front leg. And this is great for climbing the stairs, climbing the curb, getting up from the floor. God forbid we fall.